I'm taking a bubble bath. Hey Elsa, what are you doing? Oh, I had a very long week. I want to have a bubble bath and with my floaties. I want some bubbles. Okay. See the water? Let me feel the water. Let me feel the water. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. I love the water on my face. What about you, Elsa? Go try that one. Go try that one. Let's go try that one. Let's go feel the water. I want to feel the water. Wow. That feels so good. So good. Water fresh. And I like the bubbles. Let's play with the bubbles maybe. Oh, hey guys. Well, I'm here too. Don't forget about me. Oh, I won't forget about you. You see it? I like bouncing. I'm sitting on a crab. I love crabs. They're really fun. I see that. I don't want to bounce around because I don't want to fall in the water. Don't worry about it. I won't make you fall in the water. What about me? If you're bouncing too much, I'm probably going to spin around like this. Oh, that's alright. You know, I want to do something really fun. Maybe I can play with the bubble like this. And I can put my face in there and I do boop. And maybe I can do this feels good. Guys, this is really feels good. You guys should try that. Okay, let's try the bubbles. I'm going floating, and I'm going swimming, 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 swimming to Anna! And I'm going swim, 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 swim with the bubbles. Swim, swim, swim. Anna! That's great, Anna. You're having fun? Oh yeah, I love it. Hey, you wanna get in the water with us? Let me think about it. I'm not ready yet. Oh, that's okay. Take your time. Take your time. And I'm gonna swim, 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 swim. Where am I gonna go? I'm gonna go play like this. And I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna sit on my crab for now. Oh, hey, little Elsa. You having fun? Oh yeah, I like bouncing now. I feel like I can bouncing. I just need a little bit of time and just, so I can get ready. Oh guys, we're bouncing! We're bouncing! We're spinning too! We're spinning too! We're spinning too! Oh, the water is about to come out! The water! This is really fun, taking bubble baths. Water fresh. Water fresh, I know. And the water is pretty warm and nice. And maybe I'm ready to jump in the water now. So 1, 2, 3. Let me feel this. I got a bubble on my face. No bubbles. I'm gonna swing. Swing, 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 swing. Swing, 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 swing. Hey, little Elsa, you wanna try? Would you wanna try? I don't know. It is really fun. Let's try. How about that? Okay, how about you try? Okay. Elsa is really brave today. Let's try Elsa. I'm gonna go just swing, 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 swing. It is very fresh. It is very fresh. I love it. Did you guys take the warm bath bubble at home? Bubble bath at home? It's really fun. So maybe you can try this tonight. And I think it's really fun to have water on my face. Sometimes I feel a little bit scary to have water on my face. But once I practice a little bit, I feel a little bit more comfortable to have water on my face. Yeah, I think so too. You know what we can have is a lot of times we just need to practice. It is okay the first time. I feel a little bit scary. But then I try second time, and another time, and another time, and I realize I'm having a lot of fun. Yay! I'm so happy to hear you guys are having a lot of fun. You guys had fun today? Oh yeah. Want to do another jumping? Oh yeah, let's bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey Elsa, I didn't know you fall in the water. Let's pull you back. Okay, let's make a big move. Make a big move. Yay! That's really fun, really fun. Like jumping, 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 jumping in the bubble. Jumping in the bubble, jumping in the bubble. Jump in the bubble, jump in the bubble, jump in the bubble, yay!